What's up, farm team? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be showing you a video that I made earlier today. I accidentally sent in the video. Sorry guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not leaving you. That means nothing in the video. That's all I just wanted to tell you. So let's roll the clips. Alright, I'm just kidding. I'm not leaving you, but here's Cat. Back now. She's very whiny. Hey, Panther. Come here. Oh. I didn't mean to drop Panther, but she is. Yep. Looking at me now. But when I came out here like earlier today, there was a bunch of birds up here. I don't even know how birds even get in here. What is that? What? Hold on. There's more stuff. Go down. Alright, farm team, I'm actually not out this time, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Whoa. What did I just say there? I said, I'm not actually out. Peace out. That means nothing. In the video, again, I made a clip from that last other clip that you're watching right now. That means nothing. And this time, I'm out.